Hello everyone, today we will unbox BattleTech, Game of Armored Combat. The box contains the components and the rules for start playing BattleTech Classic and, a certain extent, Alpha Strike. We will see all the content, including the amazing miniatures. So let's get started.
This is the perfect time to look once again in the whole box of BattleTech, because Catalyst Lab just presented a new core box and a new starter set. So we can compare what we get before and what we will get with the new product just released.
Here you go. This is the outside of the box. Inside we find an expandable coupon for the Catalyst website. It's a great coupon actually. A short novel set in the BattleTech universe, titled A-Storm. And here are the mech cards, which summarize the stat of each mech and can be used in the Alpha Strike game. They are in fact an important part of playing Alpha Strike. Battlemaster, Thunderbolt, Catapult, Shadowhawk, practically every iconic mech from the BattleTech universe are here. Heroes card also, with a bit of lore and special abilities. The cards are all double-sided. Awesome. Literally awesome. Each card reports a different variant of the same mech, and each variant implies different armament or specifications. Then a couple of D6 dice, white, and here my favorite part, the miniatures. Here again the Battlemaster, very detailed, quite robust, PLA plastic. This is the awesome mech, cool. And here one of my favorite mech, the Catapult. This one is the Thunderbolt. It was one of mine spearhead in the video game BattleTech Mercenaries. Then here the primer booklet. It provides the essential lore of BattleTech universe, the story of the clans and the inner sphere houses. And finally here the rulebook. Glossy paper, rich of illustration and examples. It is 53 pages. Introduction, play the game, combat. It looks very well organized. And this is the rulebook for playing to the classic game, where few robots are deployed on the battlefield, generally 2 to 4. These are the record sheets. Then let's open this one. Notable unit of the clan era. Another record sheet. Are these two record sheets the same? Let me check. They look the same, but they aren't. Yeah, some pages are the same. Anyway, moving on to the other component, we have a double-sided map, desert, with an hexagonal grid, and a countryside with a lot of elevation. Elevation are interesting because they allow the mech to hide and strike using their jump jets. Another double-sided map, so two of them. This looks more open with large clear areas and the lake, and this one with the road. Good. This is a heavy stock reference card, cardboard components, mechs, and terrain, also double-sided. And what is this? Another advertisement. Yes, this is useful. Battle mech recognition with some painted miniatures. It helps us distinguish mechs from each other. Well, I think that's all. Let's have a second look to the mech miniatures. They look very nice, and this little guy is the Commando. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, press like, and if you want to see more videos like this, subscribe. Thank you. Ciao!